Are you interested in signing up for Green but don't know where to start? Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about Green and tell you why this new fintech company might be the solution to your credit repair journey. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you guys to put your credit repair experience into your own hands, guys. In today's video, guys, I have a banger, guys. We're talking about this new fintech company called Green. Green is a new company that allows you guys to build your credit with your bank account. Right. So let me explain, guys. So this company is basically basing your eligibility for applying and getting approved for their program under the guidelines of just your bank account and the transactions that you actually have with your bank account. So this company does not pull your credit. They probably don't even care about your current credit. The only thing that they really tend to focus on is your bank account. So to get approved, first thing that you need to do, you need to have a Apple iPhone or any Apple device. You download the app and you link your bank account to the app, and then the Green app and the algorithm within the company will pull the transactional history with your bank account and afford you a credit line, right? So this credit line essentially turns into a credit card, but they don't actually give you a credit card. They put the money directly into your bank account, and then they use your debit card as your new credit card. It's interesting, guys. I think that is interesting, and I think that is great because it covers a space in the credit industry that's not being tackled, right? So I know a lot of people that can pay for a lot of different things that make over $200,000 a year, but just have poor credit. And a lot of people that's used to not having good credit, they tend to not really worry about it because they have lived their life not having credit for such a long time. This company is taking that approach and flipping it. So normal credit or creditors or loan agencies look at your credit history, right? They look at the full credit history and see how it matches up with their wants and needs for your approval. This company is looking at your transactional history, which is a space that's not really being tackled right now because a lot of companies haven't realized that credit is not the only factor when it comes to consumers and their financial habits. So moving forward to the future of the credit industry tends to be leaning towards these fintech ideas. So now we have the new self savings account, which you can build credit just by saving. Now we have this Green app that allows you to build credit with your bank account, guys. So first thing you want to do, go to the Green app, or you can go to the website. You cannot have an Android phone, unfortunately, with this program, but you can go into the waiting list for the Android app development, right? I'm gonna look at my handy dandy notes to give you some percentages. So it is a 1% finance charge out the gate, and then it is a 12% APR, right? So what we're gonna do now, I'm going to go over. Welcome back, guys. I wanted to go over to the website and give you guys a quick breakdown on the business model and the ideology behind this company, guys. So the first thing that you can see on the website is that they do tailor to all of the major banks. So you should not have any issue with setting up your account to the major bank. So as you can see on the left-hand side, this is the exact layout of the app. This is exactly what it looks like. So like I said, I think the minimum that you can possibly get approved for is $150. The most I seen them loan out is $1,000. So majority of the clients that actually approve gets approved for the $1,000 limit. So as you can see here, they have $700 available and they have a $300 balance. So this is a typical $1,000 loan. And you want to make sure that you keep in mind that your credit utilization is very, very critical, because this is going to be displayed on your credit report as an actual credit card. So even though that it is working through this platform right here, it is going to show on your credit report and act and report as a revolving credit card. So the 30% utilization rule is very, very important here. But like I tell all my clients, we are aiming for a 7% utilization, not 30%. 7% is going to give you the most highest potential of data points every month that the companies come and report this information to the credit bureaus. Now, as you can see, like I said, that they only tailor to the Apple store, and they do not tailor to any Android devices. So if you do have an Android device, unfortunately, you have to join this waiting list and wait till that app becomes available. Basically how it works is a 3-stage process. You download the app, you connect it to your bank account, and you use your debit card. Now, when you use your debit card, I want you to understand that you're using your debit card as a credit card at this point. So all the frivolous spending is not necessary. Now, if we scroll back up, now you can deposit increments into your account. So it's very, very important to do that as well, because if you invest all of the money into your account as soon as it becomes available, anything can happen, guys. And when it does, you have the potential to max out that credit card and also over leverage yourself. So keep in mind how that works, guys. Like I said, this is the credit card alternative. Grain empowers you to manage your credit responsibility by only using what you need for the day-to-day expenses. You get cash advances directly to your bank account for free. Guys, this is a godsend when it comes to people that cannot get approved because they have poor credit history, guys. If you have good income, but you do not have good credit history, you can get approved for this card, guys. Scrolling down, bank level security, and the 12% APR, like I stated before, guys. And this is the nutshell of the app, guys. If you have any questions about this, you can always reach out to Grain themselves and ask their customer service team. But right now, I'm going to go back over to the video. So guys, after all that, let me know how you feel about the Grain app, guys. If you found any of this information helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. We are unleashing a lot of content in the next couple of weeks, guys, and I want you guys just to be tuned and stay tuned for the excitement of the channel, guys. I am super, super excited for the channel, guys. If you found any of this information helpful, please like and subscribe. If you do have Grain, let me know in the comments what's your concerns, or how do you feel about the Grain app thus far. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself.